Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. I am very excited today to show you this very famous granny square because I am going to use this granny square in another project and I have used it for handbags. So I am excited to use these granny squares for clothing as well. So that's why just follow me. I am going to show you the graph as well of this very famous granny square. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. For this project, I am going to use wool blend tweed. This is a medium yarn. It is 100 gram per skein, 168 meters. So it is like a medium. It says that is like medium number 4. I am going to pair it with a 6mm hook. We're going to start with a magic circle, but you can also start with chain stitches, depends on how you are used to. And for that, first we are going to do 3 chain stitches. And then inside of the magic circle, we are going to continue crocheting 15 double crochets. Together with the 3 chain stitches are going to be 16. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, so once we have 15 double crochets, I'm going to pull the end. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert the hook on the 3rd chain stitch that I did. So 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch. Then the pattern continues, 3 chain stitches, 1, 2 and 3. And I will do also 1/4 for the turning, so 4 chain stitches, yarn over. Then I'm going to do 1 double crochet on the next stitch. Then I'm going to continue 1 chain, yarn over, double crochet on the next stitch. So 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet on each stitch of the circle that we did over here. This is the pattern. So here we are, and at the last one I did 1 chain stitch, but I'm not going to connect with a double crochet, but I'm going to insert the hook at chain number 3, so 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to do 1 slip stitch over here to connect the end with the beginning. Now for the next round we are going to follow the pattern, 3 chain stitches again, and then 2 double crochet here in the space that we have, and then 1 double crochet on the first double crochet of the previous row. And this is the pattern, 2 double crochet in the space, 1 double crochet on the next previous double crochet. So 3 double crochet for each space. So 2 double crochet in the space, and 1 double crochet where is the previous double crochet on top of that. And just continue doing that all around. And of course we have at the end we do 2 double crochets here at the space, then we connect with a slip stitch to the 3rd chain stitch here at the top. Okay, here we are, and as I told you, at the last one we do the 2 double crochets here in the center, and we do the connection at the end with the beginning of the round, with a slip stitch inside of the third chain. So this is how the pattern looks like. Now for the fourth round we are going to have this pattern, 5 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are going to do 1 single crochet, but first skipping the first 2 stitches. So 1, 2 single crochet on the third one. Then we are going to do 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, then again skip 2 stitches at the base, 1, 2, and single crochet on the third one. Repeat this 2 more times. So 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, single crochet on the third one. So 2 times, and the third one, 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and single crochet on the third one. So this pattern now we are going to repeat it another 1, 2, 3 times. So 5 chain stitches, skip 2, 1 single crochet, 3 chain stitches, skip 2, 1 single crochet, 2 chain stitches, skip 2, 1 single crochet, 2 chain stitches, skip 2, 1 single crochet. We will repeat that 3 more times. So here we are. I finished the pattern 4 times. You can see now the corners of the pattern. So 2 chain stitches, and now I am going to connect with the beginning. So skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and single crochet here where we started, right here at the foot. And I'm going to do actually 1 slip stitch because it looks better with a slip stitch. Okay, now we start the next round. I'm going to do 1 single crochet over the 5 chain stitches here, and now I start the pattern of the next round. I'm going to do 3 chain stitches which count as a double crochet. Then I'm going to continue crocheting another 4 double crochets right here in the circle. So another 4, including the 3 chain stitches. There are going to be 5. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then the pattern continues. 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3. Then again in the same round here, in the same place, 5 double crochets. 1, 2, so next we are going to do 1 single crochet on the next hole that we have, 1 single crochet here in the center. And then the pattern continues, 5 double crochet in the next hole. So 1, 2, 3. Then here at the next hole I will do 1 single crochet. Oops. And this is the pattern that we are going to repeat now for this corner 1, this corner 2, this corner 3. So we are going to follow this pattern here to the big corner. So we have 5 double crochets, 3 chains, 5 double crochets. Then we do 1 single crochet here at the first loop. Then we do 5 double crochets here at the second one. Then we do 1 single crochet, we connect here. Then we repeat the same pattern for this 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we repeat it again for the next 4 rounds, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then I will tell you how we are going to connect here the end with the beginning. So here we are. I came to the end of the round and I did the single crochet here, but now I have to connect with chain number 3. So here where I started, I have chain number 1, 2 and 3, and I'm going to do one slip stitch. So insert the hook here and I'm going to do one slip stitch. So like this I closed the round, and now I am ready to start the next round. But the next round starts over here. So for that we have to do some slip stitches through the stitches here, which I'm going to do through the back loop. So I'm going to go through slip stitches through the back loop until the hole over here, and here is where the pattern will start for the next round. So I would insert the hook on the next stitch through the back loop, and I'm going to do slip stitch, again slip stitch, all the stitches one by one. And here at the hole I'm again going to do like one single crochet. So now I'm here and I can start the pattern. So now after I did the single crochet here, I'm going to crochet 3 chain stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Then again here on the other side of the hole, 1 single crochet. And then the pattern continues 5 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in the next connection that we have here, 1 double crochet. So insert the hook here where we have the single crochet. We did the single crochet here, so insert the hook, grab the 2 loops of the single crochet and crochet 1 double crochet. Then the pattern continues 3 chain stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Then we will skip 2 double crochets here at the bottom, so 1, 2, and at the third one 1 single crochet. And then again 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3. And then 1 double crochet where we have here the single crochet here. And then 5 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here at the corner 1 single crochet. And we're just now going to repeat this pattern all around. So it is going to be 3 chain stitches, 1 single crochet, then 5 chain stitches, 1 double crochet, then 3 chain stitches, 1 single crochet, 3 chain stitches, 1 double crochet, 5 chain stitches, 1 single crochet. And then this pattern we will repeat it again over here, and we will repeat it again on this side as well. Okay, here we are. So I finished here the last 5 chain stitches, and right here where I have the single crochet that I did at the beginning, I'm going to connect with a slip stitch. So insert the hook at the single crochet and slip stitch. So here is the pattern. And now we have the last round. So for the last round I am going to do 3 chain stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Then I will do 2 double crochets here at the corner. So the 3 chain stitches count as a double crochet, and then I'm going to do 2 chain stitches, 1, 2. Then I'm going to crochet 3 double crochets again here in the same hole. And the pattern continues. Here where we have the next big hole, we're going to crochet 5 double crochets inside here. One. Then here where we have the next one, 3 double crochets. Then the next one, 3 double crochets. And then the last one, 5 double crochets. So if you see where we have this big hole with the 5 chain stitches that we did previously, there are 5, but where we have these little ones, there are 3 double crochets. So the last one is 5 double crochets. So this is the pattern for one side. So here at the corner we are crocheting 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets. Then we jump to the next hole, which is the big one, and it's going to be 5 double crochets. Then at the small one, 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets, at the big one, 5 double crochets. And this one we will repeat again on this side and on this side. So here we are. I finished the pattern all around, and here where I have the 3 chain stitches, I am going to connect with a slip stitch. So I am going to insert the hook on the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to do 1 slip stitch. I will do 1 more chain, pull some yarn and cut the yarn. So this is the full pattern of the Willow granny square. I really hope you are going to use this pattern on your crochet projects, and I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And I will see you on my next one. Bye!